In this video, I'll show you how to fix the blocked download error in Google Chrome or any other browser. To resolve this problem, type Run in the Windows search bar and open it. Then type inetcpl.cpl and click OK. Now you'll see the Internet Properties window. Click on the Security tab, then click Custom Level. Here, scroll down and find Launching Applications and Unsafe Files, and make sure Prompt is selected. After that, click OK. Next, go to Local Internet, click Custom Level, and again, make sure Prompt is selected for Launching Applications and Unsafe Files. Then click OK. Now click on Sites, uncheck all three boxes, and click OK. Next, go to Trusted Sites, click Custom Level, and make sure Prompt is selected again. Do the same for the Restricted Sites section. Open Custom Level and ensure Prompt is selected. If it's disabled, change it to Prompt, click OK, then Apply, and finally OK again. Now, there's one more thing you need to try. Click on Start, type Registry Editor, and open it. When asked for permission, click Yes. In the Registry Editor, expand HKey Local Machine, then Software, then Microsoft. Next, expand Windows, then Current Version, then Policies, and click on Attachments. Now, right-click on Scan with Antivirus, select Modify, and change the value data from 3 to 1. Then click OK. Once done, close the window and restart your PC. Hopefully, using this simple and easy method, your Chrome, Edge, or Firefox download problem will be fixed. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.